What's up, guys? I'm on the channel. It is humid out right now, but it is literally nighttime. Like it's 11 o'clock at night. I want to get some work done on the motor. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done exactly, but originally kind of like just go into a little bit. Kind of probably just get all the stuff off over here. Maybe I gotta look at what I gotta do for this. I'm not gonna be able to do this today, but what we're probably gonna do is probably pop this off. Probably pop this off here. Just get this all disconnected and stuff to get this guy that's broken off. And then I may just take, I may leave this on just to keep it sealed, but I also may just take it off. Actually no, I gotta take it off. I gotta see what gasket there. I do got a bunch of gaskets over here and stuff, so I got that. That's the pump we're using. That's the new, that's that piece that has that broken piece right there. That's what it's supposed to look like, not have any type of hole in it. Got gaskets, you know, that gasket's for this guy here. Basically goes on the back of this thing here. You guys would never believe how much this gasket cost. Now, I'm going off memory. This gasket probably either cost, it was either 150, 120, it was between 125 to 250. I remember those two prices in my head. I don't remember which one it was, but that, let's just say this. All of this is literally just, it just goes bloop, seals up that, bloop down. All it does. And that's how much this little guy costs. Well, big guy, I guess you can call it. It's a big gasket. Can't say it's not a big gasket, but to me it's a little ridiculous in the price, but what are you gonna do about it? They got a bunch of little gaskets. All these gaskets are mainly just your, what do you call this guy? Your main seal. So you got our main seal here in the rear. I may change the main rear seal in the front here. I do gotta go buy some diesel fluid to go spray out of this engine to flush the engine out and stuff like that. So I do that, but I'm gonna wait. I gotta get a gas container for it, which I may just get one of those VMP ones, or the VP fuel, or whatever it's called. Probably get one of those. Probably stick with that. What we gotta do other than that is, oh, this is an empty box now. Got a little fetch, I guess you can call it. But yeah, so I guess maybe we'll start just getting this off here. This wire harness I don't need, but I'm gonna leave it on because I want to just have like a reference in a way. I have a lot of pictures, don't get me wrong, I got a lot of pictures to really kind of like pieces back together, but I kind of want to study what the harness is connected to here, so leave it as much as possible alone, as much as possible. So we're gonna start with here. Take as much less, like I said, hopefully it's just gonna be this pipe here, and then I'm not touching that, so just this here. And I don't really plan on taking this off here, but you know, if we gotta take it off, we gotta take it off. But little at a time, just a little bit, and then other than that, I think we're just gonna stick with little things like that. So gotta go. It is hot out. I still gotta edit video, which is supposed to be Monday's video, but it's not gonna be Monday's video. It's probably gonna be Tuesday's video for this week. It's probably gonna be Wednesday's video. So see what happens. It's just hot out, and last week I had so much work I had to do. There was no time to edit videos, no time to do anything. So enjoy some of the footage, see where we get along, and see what happens. Ah, you gotta be kidding me, the first one. Actually, you know what? It does not matter, because that's getting replaced anyways with the one I got over there. Oh wait, no it's not. Damn it. Alright, that is getting replaced, so it doesn't matter if this snaps off or not. Shit. Schwitz. And we guess broke off. Broke off again, boys and girls, but guess what? It doesn't matter. It's going off anyways. Well, it's getting replaced anyways. Yeah, so looks like I gotta shove something in there to get that thing out. Alright, got that off. Not too bad, not too shabby, without deforming anything on here. Alright, so I got that one last bolt, and I think that just, besides that other one there, but other than that, They're probably ready to come off. Alright guys, I got the extender. Alright. Now I might have to use the electrical one on here because the other one had water around it, so possibly have to, but we'll find out in a second. There we go. Alright, alright. Alright, okay. Alright, so we got that thing mid-dismantled, so we gotta clean that all up. Like I said, I don't think this is definitely not a 300 mile motor because there's some damages, and I really don't want to take this thing off here only because there's these fuel lines that run around, and I really don't want to. I have the part right here. I just particularly do not want to mess with this thing. I just want to keep it kind of intact because then as soon as you mess with that, you're going to mess with something else. Well, actually, no, I can just take off these brackets. So, I don't know. We'll have to really look at the condition because the condition of this one looks a little rough because it has this little bracket broken right here. So, not good. Don't like that. It looks like it broke up as I took it off. But I don't really like that, but it's a little there sucks, that sucks, so I don't know, there's some things I don't like about this, but what are we gonna do? EGR stupid shit, which I wish I could just get rid of and say goodbye, but that's not gonna happen right now, so alright, so we got the new ones, old, whatever one over here, and you see this one does not have a crack here, this one has a major ass crack, so what are you gonna do about it? Maybe I will just take this off for now. I'm just gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off just to investigate it. There's no gaskets. All this is really just a thing that just sits there and does nothing, which I don't get a spider on me. At least. There she goes. Alright, so I got that one off. Now, the reason why I took it off is because I saw the chips down here. This one actually has a lot more non-issues. The only thing I might have to tap a hole because it looks like this one thing, it might just be dirty too. I'm definitely gonna be cleaning this up. Overall, I think this is the overall better. Even the inside of this one looks better than that one. So, I don't really like the way this one looks, so I'm gonna stick with this one here and see how that goes. Alright, so that's that. The only other parts I have on here, I gotta clean that up, so I'm gonna clean it up tomorrow, of course, or whenever I work on it again. Other than that, I gotta get a Allen key to fit this so I can easily get that out, because I need an impact grade one, because if I use one of my other ones, it's just going to just completely just destroy it. It's going to break it. Or strip it, worst case. So, now thing we got to do is get the stud out. Get that stud out there. I think everything's good right here for now. Definitely going to have to clean this up and get that all cleaned up and get that situated back there for the bell housing. There's no place for me to hang up my thing anymore. Well, there is no place to make that clear. So definitely clean that up a little bit more down here as well. Just get all just get wherever we can get. That's really all it comes down to. Which, yeah, this thing it's gonna be fun trying to get all these wires off and figure out where all these wires go. So that's gonna be a fun one. That's gonna be a real fun one. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out one way or another, hopefully at least, as I can say. I do gotta get the tool that takes off that thing. So once I get the tool for that, we'll be in good shape. Alright, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for tonight. It's not once again, it's not much. Like this is just so it's actually almost 12 o'clock at night right now, probably. Let's see. What time is it? 11:47. So it's almost 12. So it's I gotta go edit a video. I need to stay awake a little longer. I gotta wake up also at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So I need to get a little bit of sleep. Edit video's gonna take an hour or two to get out and stuff, and then, you know, so it's just all little stuff, guys. You know, again, it's just taking a little bit of time, get the little progress, and get a video out for you guys to at least enjoy. And you know, it's not crazy, but it's what I can give to you guys. You know, it's what I can give you guys right now. So other than that, listen, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, nothing crazy going on in here. Just that's really it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Kind of like I said, any advice, and you guys diesel mechanics out there who are going to criticize me for anything, so give me some advice. If you're going to criticize me, please give me real advice. Subscribe to the channel, 365 dreams, don't let it get away, stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.